Be it life or game, the biggest victories come when you learn to give more than you take. Just watch this moment. Every Spain player had a chance to score. But instead of chasing individual glory, they kept passing the ball, trusted each other, and played for one purpose: to make the team win. That one goal made Spain world champions. But here's the beautiful part. Today, every player is called a world champion because when the team wins, everyone wins. And trust me, the joy of celebrating success together is far sweeter than any individual victory. So remember, when you give selflessly as an individual, you grow stronger together as a team.